this next Maya Basics modeling lesson, I'm going to show you how to work with the NURBS surface of our engine. Okay, we're going to continue working with the same file that we've been building on, except now I want to do a couple of modifications to my engine. Well, let's look at what this NURBS object is made up of. If I'll need to go back and turn off my selection masks and turn them back on to reselect the NURBS object. You might have to do that if you didn't do it earlier. So when I select the surface, these green lines that you see, these are called isoparms. Isoparms lie on the surface of the NURBS object. Now, one thing that's kind of tricky about isoparms is that you can't edit isoparms. You can't move them around. So if I grab these, I can't move them. But what I can do is either select one, or if I click and drag, I can leave one in a position. Then I can insert an isoparm there. Well, if you can't move isoparms, what can you move? Well, if you right-click on the surface, you also have control vertex and hulls. Let's talk about control vertexes first. If I select control vertex, you notice I get all of the little purple dots that come up. These dots actually define how that surface is going to be built and what it looks like. So if I pick up one of these dots and get my move tool, I can actually change the surface quite dramatically by moving those around. Okay, I'll just undo that. So what are hulls? Well, hulls connect all these little purple dots together. They connect all the CVs together. So if I choose hull, you notice now you actually see the lines that are connected. So if I select one, grab it here. If I select a hull, notice it selects all the CVs that go around. So if I needed to move them all at once, I could. Let's see if I wanted to scale them. I'm scaling all the CVs in one shot. So what I'd like to do is go in here and edit our engine just a little bit. Kind of give it a little bit more of a little bit meaner shape, I guess, for lack of a better word. Let me get this hull here. Oh, darn it. Let's go right up here. Now, something that that we'll cover in many other CDs is pick walking. You can actually use your left and right mouse buttons to move up and down the hulls so you can get a different set of hulls. So I'm just going to pull that out like so and shape it. Let's go into this one a little bit. All right, cool. Just get out of that. So that's how you can work with NURBS components.